Quick question. Why do so many large companies choose the same gear supplier APMC? At first glance, many manufacturers can produce gears. But when it comes to high precision, high reliability gears, the difference is often hidden in the details. We focus on heavy-duty gears and industrial gearbox solutions. And what sets us apart is how we control quality. Here, every gear has its own identity. From raw material input, machining, inspection, all the way to final delivery. The entire process is tracked through a QR code system. Just scan the code, and you can trace every step, every parameter, and every process behind that product. Because in real industrial applications, even the smallest defect can lead to serious problems. Quality is not just something you see, it's something you can verify. And that's exactly why more and more professional clients choose to work with us. If you're looking for a reliable gear manufacturer or gearbox supplier, feel free to contact us. Have questions? Leave them in the comments. And don't forget to follow us for more real industrial insights.